Is the optical drive in your Xbox One X having trouble reading discs, or has it stopped working entirely? Don't worry, it's gonna be okay. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace the optical drive in your Xbox One X. For this repair, you're going to need a Torx T8, a Torx T10, tweezers, a spudger, and you'll be unscrewing a lot of screws, so we recommend using a magnetic mat so you can map out where all the screws go. To get started, grab your Torx bit and start by unscrewing the screw on the back near the power cord port. Next, grab your tweezers and remove the sticker that's hiding the second screw holding the upper case in place. And once those are out, you can remove the top plastic by sliding the upper case forward and then lifting up. There are two boards attached to the outside case, one on the side and one on the front. Both are held in place by 3 T8 Torx screws. The board on the front has a small cable that needs to be disconnected before pulling it forward and out of its socket. Then start removing the 6 case screws and 2 cable bracket screws from the metal frame. Use your spudger to lift the small metal bracket attached to the cable. Free your hands of tools so you can flip the Xbox over with the bottom facing you. Then lift to remove the plastic cover and remove the 2 remaining screws holding the metal case together. Now you can lift the metal case up and off. The cables that connect the optical drive to the motherboard are underneath the power supply, so we need to flip the Xbox over again to remove the 2 screws securing it to the metal case. With those 2 screws removed, flip the Xbox over with the components facing up. Lift the power supply and set it aside so you can see the 2 cables connecting the optical drive to the motherboard. Once you have them disconnected, you can remove your old optical drive. That's all for this repair. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you have the latest repair videos in your back pocket for your next fix. And I take apart some cool stuff every week, so follow me on Twitter @KelseyFixes. I'll see you there.